Welcome back to the second part of the Pipe Management Module tutorial. In the first part, we talked about the different icons in the top bar, the Quick Opportunity option, and the New Opportunity. Now, let's go through the different fields in the New Opportunity. Opportunity Name, the name that the salesperson gives to that opportunity. Please note that you are unable to open two opportunities with exactly the same name. You are required to make a slight change to differentiate between the opportunities. For example, you can add number 1 or 2 at the end of the name. Customer. In this field, you can select the customer name from a list of existing customers or create a new one. Contacts. Here, you can add the relevant contacts from the existing list in the system. Closure date. The expected date to close the deal. Pre-sales name. Adding the pre-sales person who supports this opportunity. After completing the initial details, we will continue to the Products section. Here, we will choose the relevant products for this deal by vendor, segment, category, etc. Deal amount summarizes all the different product costs. Margin, expected profit from the opportunity, presented in dollars. Margin percent, expected profit from the opportunity, presented in percentages. Probability, the chances of winning the deal. Status, in progress, won, lost, canceled. Comments. Comments can be entered in all languages. Share. Here, you can choose whether to share the deal after filling out these details. For example, if this deal is supported by a pre-sale from another department, he will be able to view this deal. And lastly, you can attach files using the link Load Files. Here you can upload quotes, bids from the vendors, bill of materials, or any other documentation relevant to the opportunity. After we've finished filling in the details and after clicking the Save button, we'll receive a pop-up alert to approve and save the opportunity created. If one of the details is missing, the system will not allow the opportunity to be created and the missing fields will be in red. Clicking Back to Opportunity on the bottom of the page will take us to the main screen again. After explaining how to open a new opportunity, we'll go over the various filters at the top of the screen, which are designed to make it easier to search for different opportunities. The first filter is the vendors. Here you can look for opportunities according to the different vendors you are working with. The following filters are the segment and the category. These filters will only be populated after the vendor selection. The next filter is the status. The default is to always display opportunities in these two statuses, in progress and request for quick viewing, because these are the relevant opportunities that are open. The following filter is sales representative. Here you can choose opportunities based on the salesperson who opened it, relevant for managers only. The next filter is probability. Here, you can choose the opportunities according to the winning probability. Customers. Here you can filter by customer name. The next one is the Deal Amount bar. This bar allows you to select opportunities according to the range you defined on the bar by moving the blue points. If we click on the orange arrows, you can type the desired range. The last filter is filtered by dates. Open date from or open date to. Of course, you can combine all the different filtering options to achieve the most accurate result. All of this functionality is also available on our mobile app, simple and available 24/7 in your hand. Thank you for watching the Pipeline Management Module tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will continue to go through the table structure in which the different opportunities are presented.